Hey guys, it's Johnny Manzano here. So today I'll be showing you how to actually add Facebook links on your Instagram. So today I've noticed this new feature where you can actually add not only your website, you can also add your Facebook account. The thing about this is you can only add your profile account. I've tested it to actually link on my Facebook page. It won't work. So whatever is connected to your Instagram, that's where it's going to connect. Let me show it to you, okay? All right, so as I was saying, this has been actually added on my Instagram account. It's actually found under edit profile. So here you'll be able to actually add a separate link of your Facebook account. What I have here is my website, which is johnnymanzano.com, and also you can add your Facebook profile link here. Anyone on Instagram will be able to see the link to your Facebook profile. You can remove it at any time in settings. The problem with this is my unverified Facebook profile account, which actually don't want it. So I am not going to link it because I have a Facebook verified account. So for me, this is nothing. This is actually useless for me. So I actually just want to show you how it looks like. So it's under bio. Enjoy your day. So as you saw in my tutorial just a while ago, I showed you how to actually add another link on your Facebook account. It doesn't work on your page yet. I'm not sure why. Maybe in the future when Facebook actually improve this. I hope so, because a lot of people have Facebook page and maybe a lot of people have Facebook profile account which they want to actually link both of them. So it will be useful if they have a website, also profile, Facebook account and page as well.